Hi everyone, my name is Dominic Beirne and welcome to my channel for better mental health and emotional well-being. Let me start this video with a question. Do you think an AI program can do the job of a human therapist who have years of real-world experience and training? Well, I'm here to tell you that that is not possible. In today's world, technology seems to offer solutions for everything, but it falls short when it comes to mental health. As a psychotherapist, I strongly believe AI programs should not be used to treat people with mental health issues. And here's why. Communication is it's more about than just words, we say. It's also about body language and all the subtle ways humans interact with each other. Studies show that words only make up 7% of how we communicate. That means AI can only understand a very small part of what's actually happening in a therapy session. But what about the other 93%? Think about when you're sharing your deepest fears and struggles. The words you use aren't the only thing that matter. It's also about the tone of your voice, the tears in your eyes, and the way you move your body. AI just can't pick up on those real important cues. It misses almost everything that is being communicated beyond the basic words. Imagine pouring your heart out to a machine, only to get a pre-programmed response in return. It feels impersonal and detached, ignoring the human connection that's so important in therapy. As a therapist, I believe healing comes from genuine human empathy and understanding. Mental health is also incredibly complex. There's no one-size-fits solution because each person is unique with their own life experiences, traumas, and ways of coping. AI can't adapt to individual needs like a human therapist can. Therapy isn't just about giving advice or solutions. It's about creating a safe space to explore, reflect and grow. It's about building a real connection with someone who truly cares about your well-being. And that is something no amount of artificial intelligence can replicate. With over 30 years of experience, I have seen firsthand the transformative power of the human connection. I've watched countless clients break through barriers, find strength in their vulnerability, and discovered resilience they never knew they had. Technology can never replace that. In the end, the human mind is a maze of emotions, experiences, and struggles. While technology has its place, it can't provide the warmth, empathy, and understanding that come from human connection. So, if you or someone you know is struggling with mental health issues, please seek support from a trained professional human therapist. Let's break down the stigma around mental health and create a world where everyone feels seen, heard and valued. If this message resonated with you, do consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. By working together, we can promote mental health care, focus on human connection, and create a meaningful, positive change. On that note, I just want to thank you for joining me again on this journey today. And please do remember to always be kind to yourself and be kind to others. I'm Dominic Beirne, wishing you all good mental health and emotional well-being. Bye.